Chapter 29, Newspaper Report Writing. A newspaper report is a factual account of an event or happening written in a formal manner. It may also give information regarding an issue that affects many people. Reports are written about events, matches, accidents, any natural calamity, whether it is flood, earthquake, or storm, and are published in newspapers or magazines. Reports of important events like inauguration of a community center or annual day are written for newspapers and school magazines respectively. What is a newspaper report? It is a factual account. It is a real account of an event or happening which is written in a formal manner. It gives the information regarding the issue or regarding the happening that affects many people. Features. A newspaper report must essentially have the following features. It should start with a suitable headline. It should be based on facts, realities. The first sentence should be an expansion of the headline with few details. The name of the place and date should be clearly mentioned. It must contain all the relevant or important details. The report should not reflect a biased approach. It should not be one-sided or supportive of anyone or anything. It should be neutral. It should be written in a neutral tone. It may include views of the people concerned. It can also give the views of the people. The report should be concise, short, brief, and should not carry unnecessary details. No unnecessary points to be included in a newspaper or report writing. It should be formal in style. A proper conclusion is important. The name of the reporter or writer should clearly be mentioned after the heading. So let us look at an example of a report, a newspaper report. Read the newspaper report given below. You will notice that it is based on the above guidelines. Here is the heading of the report. Bikers snatch a bag from Spanish man. So by the heading itself, you get to know what lies in the body of the report. And just below the heading of the report, you will find the name of the reporter or writer. If not the name, it can be written in this way, by a staff reporter. Now, below it, you have to mention the place and date. The name of place and date. New Delhi, October 29, 2021. So if it is Ranchi, you can write Ranchi, January 5th, 2021, like that. A national was robbed of his belongings by bike, bone men while he was traveling in a rickshaw. Bonshad Smith, who hails from Barcelona, was traveling with his friend Mukesh Jha from Connaught Place to Paharganj when the incident took place at 8:30 p.m. on Monday, a senior police officer said. So you can see it is written just like the articles that we read in newspapers. This is the third such incident in the last 7 days where a foreigner has been targeted. Smith said 2 bike-borne youths came from behind and snatched his bag. He claimed to have lost his passport, mobile and 1,000 euros. He said, I could not see their faces because they were wearing helmets. The police have registered an FIR and are investigating the case, but no arrests have been made so far. So, it is similar to any article that we read on newspapers. In newspaper, you will get to read such articles, such reports. So now let us read what lies in this report. The above report covers all the facts in a precise manner, and the facts are stated clearly. It is written in the third person pronouns. I, we, you should be completely avoided. So it is written in third person. Pronouns like I, we, and you should not be used. It is written in reported speech. The Reporter should not impose his or her views or draw any conclusion on his own. So the reporter is not required to to put forth his own views or to make any kind of conclusion. Reports are generally written in the past tense. They should preferably be written in the passive voice. Here is another newspaper report. Read it carefully and note the details. So here you will find another example of a newspaper report. We will look at this report. Imagine you are a reporter, write a newspaper report about the inauguration of the public library at Rohini, Delhi for the benefit of all citizens living in that area. Select an appropriate headline and you may use the clues given here. How will you write a report, a newspaper report on the inauguration of a library? You can give the heading as public. In the heading part you can write public library inaugurated, and you can write it in this way. Just below it mention the name of the writer, or like this you can write by a staff reporter. Name of the place Ranchi, February 8th 2021. A public library, you can just start the report in this way. A public library was inaugurated by the education minister in Ranchi on such this and this date. The library is a boon for book lovers. The library is centrally located in the Club Road. It has collection of over 6,000 books, including novels, collections of stories, etc. The library has a spacious hall and it is very well furnished. It has a good lighting and seating arrangement. It will remain open on all 7 days. It has 2 qualified librarians. There will be no membership fees. People gathered in large numbers and looked happy. It is a positive step taken in the right direction. Like that, you can just write a newspaper report on the inaugurated public library. And it has to be written in past tense in reported speech, as it is mentioned here. In reported speech, and what else? It is written in reported speech, third person, and we should not use I, we, and you when we write newspaper reports. So here we end this chapter. Okay, I hope you understood this, how to write a newspaper report. Always give a heading and then write the name of the writer, and then start with writing the name of the place and date, and then start writing the report. Okay, it should be written in reported speech also. Reported speech like this within inverted commas. Who said what? Okay, just like you read it in a newspaper. In the same way you have to write it, write the newspaper report. Okay, thank you.